They told you collagen comes in a jar, that you need to drink it, pop it, or smear it to look younger. But they lied. Because your body already knows how to make collagen. It just needs to be reminded how. No pills, no powders, no $80 skincare fads. Just ancient biology that modern science is trying to sell back to you. If you want your skin to stay firm, your joints to stay strong, and your body to age like a warrior, not a wilted flower, you need to understand what truly builds collagen from within. Let's start with the basics. What even is collagen? Well, collagen isn't a beauty trend. It's the most abundant protein in your body. It holds your skin together, cushions your joints, strengthens your bones, and supports your organs. It's what keeps your face from sagging, your knees from cracking, your gut from leaking. Without it, you don't just age, you fall apart. But here's the truth that collagen supplement companies won't tell you. Collagen supplements do not equal collagen in your body. Most powders are just broken down animal protein. Your stomach digests them like any other protein. There's no VIP treatment. And the actual bioavailability? Often shockingly low. So, the question isn't how to consume collagen. It's how do you command your body to build its own. You see, starting in your 20s, your collagen production drops by about 1% each year. By your 40s and 50s, you're producing a fraction of what you did once. That's why you start to see wrinkles, sagging skin, joint pain, brittle nails, thinning hair. But let's be brutally honest, it's not just age. It's your lifestyle that's accelerating the decay. The collagen killers are everywhere. Sugar binds to collagen in a process called glycation, making it stiff and brittle. Smoking and pollution create free radicals that shred collagen fibers. Excessive sun exposure burns through collagen like acid. And the worst part? Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which tells your skin, stop building, start breaking down. So while you chase after powders, your daily habits are quietly destroying the very thing you're trying to save. Here's the bottom line. Collagen powders are a shortcut, but not a solution. They treat the symptom, not the system. Real collagen comes from within, and you have the tools to build it. So here are the natural collagen commandments. To rebuild collagen without pills or powders, you need 3 things. 1. The raw materials. 2. The builders. 3. The right environment. Think of it like a house. You need bricks, construction workers, and no earthquakes during the build. So what are these ingredients? Well, for Commandment 1, eat collagen-activating foods. Forget collagen powder. You need to feed your fibroblasts, the cells that actually build collagen. Here's what works. Vitamin C, the ultimate collagen catalyst. Found in bell peppers, guava, kiwi, citrus, broccoli. Without it, collagen production stops. Proline and glycine, found in bone broth, eggs, spinach, cabbage, gelatin, and organ meats. These are the amino acids your body turns into collagen. Zinc, found in pumpkin seeds, shellfish, and lentils. It stabilizes collagen formation. Copper, the unsung hero, found in sesame seeds, liver, and cashews. Copper is essential for the cross-linking of collagen fibers. Sulfur, from garlic, onions, and leeks. Without sulfur, collagen remains weak and brittle. Notice something? These foods aren't exotic. They're ancestral. Foods your grandmother ate before supplements existed. Commandment 2. Movement builds collagen. Here's what influencers forget to mention. Mechanical stress builds collagen. Your skin, joints, and bones respond to movement, especially resistance training, walking, and yoga, by producing more collagen. Ever seen an active 70-year-old with radiant skin and agile joints? They're not pounding powders. They're moving with intention. Motion is medicine. And collagen listens. Also, cold exposure and infrared heat like sauna or sunlight activate heat shock proteins that boost collagen repair. And no, that's not woo-woo. It's peer-reviewed science. Commandment 3. Protect collagen from destruction. Want to boost collagen? Start by not destroying it every day. Here's what to eliminate or reduce. Refined sugar. Nothing wrecks collagen faster. Chronic sun exposure. Use natural sunscreens or avoid peak sun hours. Smoking and pollution. Secondhand smoke is just as deadly to collagen. Processed oils. They create oxidative stress in your skin. Use olive oil, coconut oil, ghee instead. Stress. Learn to breathe. Meditate. Sleep. Cortisol eats collagen like fire eats paper. And finally, the forgotten key. Collagen begins in the gut. If your gut is inflamed, your collagen production is compromised. Why? Because inflammation blocks absorption of nutrients and creates systemic damage that drains your body's repair systems. That means no matter how clean you eat, if your gut is leaking or bloated, you're not absorbing the amino acids, vitamins, or minerals needed to rebuild collagen. The remedy? Fermented foods like kimchi, kefir, sauerkraut, bone broth, prebiotic-rich vegetables, adequate sleep, lowered stress. You don't need fancy creams or expensive pills. You need to reclaim the ancient wisdom your body already knows. So start today. Nourish your body, move with intention, protect from harm, heal your gut, and watch collagen, the framework of youth, rebuild itself from the inside out. Remember, you're not aging. You're evolving, and evolution favors the bold, the curious, and the resilient. Are you ready to evolve?